Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the 12 volt socket for basically any car. So this video idea came from someone that commented on a different video asking where the 12 volt socket is. Now that 12 volt socket can be found in different places. So hopefully this video covers those key areas. Now a reason why you might want this 12 volt socket is because you might want to use your tire inflation kit, or maybe you want to charge your mobile phone using the USB port like on this one.
Or you might want to use a dash cam.
Usually people use it for the tire inflation kit because most of them use a 12 volt socket just like this. Now the first place to look is actually in the center console area, and usually you find it here, and you can see there's a 12 volt socket, and there we go. I can just put it in there like so. Now if I go to the boot or trunk of the car, open it up, and if I look in the top left corner, I can see the 12 volt socket just there. So that's where the 12 volt socket is. Now I'm just going to show you some other places where you might find the 12 volt socket. Now on some cars you can actually find the 12 volt socket in the armrest. So this one's got 2 USB ports, but sometimes there's a 12 volt socket just hiding there for some manufacturers. I don't think Mercedes does that. Now for rear passengers you might find a 12 volt socket just behind the armrest, and you can see in this car there's a 12 volt socket just hiding right there, and then I can put it away just like that. Now excuse the mud, the wife took the car and she made the car all muddy. Now going back to the rear, I should have showed you, sometimes you might find the 12 volt socket behind the panels. So in this car that's not the case, it's right there, but you can see I've got panels that open up and I've got access, so you can see. Or sometimes it's under the floor storage. Now ignore all this stuff, but sometimes it could be hiding in here as well. Now some newer cars you might find that the 12 volt socket is still here. You can see this one's got USB-C port, but right here, just hiding, there's a 12 volt socket just hiding right there. And again, in the armrest, in this car, got 2 USB-C ports, but that's it. There's nothing else down here hiding that I'm aware of. Having a good check, just feel for that. There's nothing there. Now, back of the rear of this car, if I check behind the armrest, you can see I've got 2 USB-C ports, but no 12 volt socket. So a lot of modern cars, you might find that. Now let's see if there's a 12 volt socket at the rear of this car. And there, I can see there is a 12 volt socket, but again, it's not actually labeled. So that's where this one is, but it's not labeled, so you might have to just look for something with a plain lid. And then if I check underneath here, there's a tire inflation kit on this car. Usually you'll find it in the rear of most modern cars, but yeah, there's no 12 volt socket there. But again, it could be hiding there on certain models, but for this one it's just hiding right there. Now I'm just in a GLS, and if I look for the 12 volt socket, you can see just under the glove box I've got the 12 volt socket port right there. So that's where you can find it on some other kind of models. So if you don't find it in here or in the armrest, it should be hiding just under the glove box. Now I'm in a C class, and if I again won't find the 12 volt port in here, or you won't find it in here, but if I look just under the glove box, you can see just around here somewhere, there it is, the 12 volts port, and you can put it just there. So that's where you find it in a C class, and that's probably the same for like a GLC as well. So now I'm in the back of a Mercedes C class, and you can see there's a 12 volt socket just there. Now in the back of a GLS, I can see Here's the 12 volt socket. Now I'm just sat in a Lexus, and in this car there's no 12 volt ports here, but if I open up the armrest, you can see there is a black opening just here, and if I pull that open, there is the 12 volt port, and I can just about show you there. Now put a comment in if you found a 12 volt socket in another strange place that I've probably not mentioned in this video, and in the comments just put in what your make and model is, and it might help someone else with this question. Please subscribe, as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out my other videos, including tips and tricks on how to use features of cars. I've even got videos on how to use the main features of cars, how to use the auto park feature, how to use the cruise control, and many more videos. Hopefully they help you out too. Now there is a super thanks feature. If you want to donate to the channel, then please feel free to use this feature, as any money raised from YouTube will be used to buy more equipment. Thanks for watching.